The following program is rated PG. Some materials may not be suitable for children. Hello everyone, welcome back to Let Us Reason podcast with your host Jawara, where we talk about life, we talk about anything, and give every man a fair chance. Some of us love to use these words, and some of us love to age, I have to say.
Why then call Jamaican bad word, bad word? What is so bad about it?
It's good word.
Them no bad.
It's not bad word. No, it's good word.
Why you say that?
It's a self-defense word. If disobedient spirit attack you without reason, and you did I say, get away. Don't come near me. Please get away. And that's him on here. And any of you ever say, move your bumbo clot, me will split your pussy clot. It sounds so effective that him said like how you talk, it is the same thing you will do. And him will back off. But if you did there say, leave me alone, get away, don't come near, that is not effective enough. If you say, hey, I will plate your bumbo class, I will, hey, listen, so it's self-defense word, it helps people, right?
So it's a good word there, not a bad word.
No, it teaches us to what the opposite, right? Yeah, I'm telling you, in a slavery days, the woman...
So why people call it bad word though?
Sir? Hello, sir. In a slavery days, the woman, them have those CFX, sir. Blood, have clot, then take and tie up them periods, sir. And when them put it down careless, make the slave them see. The slave them cuss them, sir. Say, move your pussy class from this, sir. Move your ass class from this, sir. Then call under your ass. Or if he say, move your blood class from this, sir. That's how the blood of class, he might tell you. Or if he say, move your whatsoever. One class, you know. Them a call that way. With a pussy class, ass class, blood class, or whatsoever. And the woman needed represents her, not the fucking man, right? And they don't know where the thing them originates from, right? And then what man and woman make it concern them now. Whether man I tell you a man about your ass class, blood clot and pussy clot, you know, the answer card that never concerned the fucking man. It was this woman them in a slavery day, this slave them cost them that way. When them put it down careless and make them see it, them say, move your ass clot, move your pussy clot, move the blood clot, or move your whatsoever clot. I same clot them I talk about. Tell you my brother, that's how it originates from. And then knowledge decrease that people take it on and don't understand where it originates from, say to only concern the woman, not the man. So when a man I tell another man about it, go move your bumbo clock, he should never answer. Because that never concern him.
So what bumbo mean? Bumbo?
No, and that you then call no African talk, your bumbo clot, and that you then call your bumbo, you know.
Oh yeah?
Yes, no wonder you then call your bumbo. In American African talk, your bumbo, move your bumbo.
And it is hard for some people not to be offended. Because some people take it to heart, you know. Some people take it to heart. You do so to some people, they shoot your feet, you know. You say, go fuck themselves. This is what this finger mean. Or fuck yourself. That's what it means. This middle finger right there, so. That's what it means. You never know. Mm-hmm. Right, good. And they will tell you what you forgot to do with your wife. They will tell you what you forgot to do with your daughter. And it's all about try to offend you. Because
So the bottom line, person use a curse word just to offend another person.
Yes. All right, a person tell you no say, you forgot yam shit. And you get offended with that. Who know yam shit? Everybody yam shit.
So people don't use curse word to ease tension.
Yes. Ease tension now. All right, let me tell you this. Couple months back, me slide off a leather. The leather slide with me. And me drop and hit me my own side, you know. The first word come out of my mouth is a bombo clot. So me talk to one person say, why you never say Jesus? Me say, yeah, brother. I want to come out of my mouth, remember. And then me start pray to God to help me.
And maybe if you never use that shout out your mouth, so
You understand me?
something that happen when
It's all about how you feel and what you want to feel. You understand what I'm saying? Well, so my opinion is this. My opinion is this, brother. When a person tell you a word, he's just to offend you. And if you don't feel offended, that person don't feel well. You know?
You know, my people, thanks for watching another episode of Let Us Reason podcast. Thanks for hanging around. Let me hear your views on this topic today, all right? Let me hear what you think about Jamaican so-called bad words and curse word. All right, I'm looking forward to hear your opinion. Until I see you again, take care. Big up on yourself. Be careful out there on the road. All right? Love life. Live free. That's our motto here on the Let Us Reason podcast. Love life. Live free. And drop a little bit of patience in it too. Be patient. That goes a long way. Bless up.